Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and enabling Chromevox in accessibility. First, turn on the extension so the screen reader can access page content. Once done, grant any extension and microphone permissions requested. These let Chromevox read dynamic pages and dialogues. Make sure to restart Chrome after enabling to load the speech engine reliably. Now you have a working reader and are ready to navigate. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Z to toggle Chromevox. You will now move through the page using Chromevox navigation. Use the search key plus right or left to jump by headings and landmarks. This helps you find sections quickly. Then use search plus up to read the current region or search plus down to stop and resume. These let you scan long content efficiently. Make sure to use Tab and Shift plus Tab to shift focus to interactive controls, and press Enter to activate buttons or links. Practice these combos until they feel natural. You finish by customizing speech so Chromevox matches your listening preference. Open Chromevox options to adjust voice, rate, and pitch. Changing speed can improve comprehension. Once done, use the quick settings with Search plus O to toggle features like focus highlighting or Braille support. If speech cuts out or reads incorrectly, restart Chrome and disable other text-to-speech extensions to avoid conflicts. Finally, make sure Chrome is up to date and test on a simple page to confirm everything works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.